Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to change a photo to become a comic style, and it is for free. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is you can install this AI photo application, and don't worry because this application can be installed into your Android or this iOS phone. I'm sorry. So right after the installation process is done, then you can simply open it. But usually for the new user, they will usually offer you to buy the package like this. And as you can see, the package itself also contains the benefits. For example, there will be no advertisement during the process. And if you are interested, then you can continue to do the payment over here. And if you're not interested, then it is okay. You can skip it. And since we would like to create our picture to be the comic style, then you can start to slides down and you can choose this sparks your naps and click the cartoon. And for example, I will choose this picture. And after that, you can choose this style over here. For example, I will choose this web comic and kindly wait for the generation process. Don't worry because it won't actually take a short time, maybe less than 1 minute. And it is almost done. And finally, the picture is ready. So you can click this button to see the previews, and this is the after. And if you would like to remove this watermark, then you can again to you can start to purchase the package over here. But since we would use the free version, and if you're okay with this watermark, then you can continue to save it into your gallery. And after that, you can still do the editing over here. And if you're already okay with the result, then you can start to download this picture. And there you go. You can give the evaluation. For example, I will say good over here and I will give the 5 star. And after that, as you can see that our picture is already saved. So that's all guys. Don't forget to try this app into your device, and you can let us know if this app also works on your device. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.